What is going on, guys? Tempo Trades. In today's video, I made $29,000 trading the NASDAQ. I want to show you how I did it, and I called out everything live. So let's get right into this. Okay, guys. So our day starts right here at 8:25 this morning. I'm expecting a 100-point data wick in 5 minutes. What is a data wick? Again, I'll say it one more time. I dropped a video on the channel. Every week we have red folder news. This is economic data that affects the stock market, okay? And sometimes when you have this red folder news, you will create a data candle because there's so much volume, there's so much liquidity at those areas because people are anticipating the news. So right here you could see, excuse me, right here you can see we have a triple red folder news event, okay, which is going to create a very high likelihood that we're going to create a data candle. Normally we only get one red folder news event at a time, so when you have three, very likely you're going to get a data candle. Okay, so 8:30 came out as expected. We got a 200-point data wick. Just look at the difference between all of these small candles versus how big and abnormal this huge one looks like. Okay, so now the idea is price is going to want to take out both sides, the top wick and the bottom wick, again because there's so much liquidity and volume resting at these areas. So I basically said right here, we will wait for one side to sweep and then target the other side, excuse me. So as soon as the top end swept, if I go back to the chart, as soon as the top end swept right here, okay, if I go in the 1 minute, right, I go forward, boom. So top end swept, right? Now it's like, okay, we should want to come back down here. I don't know why it's all squiggly like that, but price should want to come reverse now and aim for that bottom wick now that it took out the top wick. Okay, you could see in the Discord, I said that very clearly. This should want to go hit the data low at 060, which is at the bottom. Okay, I took 2 attempts at this trade. Here was the first attempt. This was a 30-second inverted fair value gap, which would be right here. Let's look. So here was the first attempt right here, right? You have a 30-second inverted fair value gap. I entered short right here. And then we're aiming for 060, which is the bottom of that wick. This one did not work all the way. I ended up taking some profits right here for about 30 points. And then the rest of my position got stopped out break even. As you can see right here, I made $300 from the first attempt. And then I said out break even there, made 300, might look for reentry. And then here was our reentry. You had another 1 minute fair value gap after that. So you could see right here, boom. Okay, so right there, we form another bullish fair value gap. And again, the idea is that if this inverses, price should want to come down and go take out this data low right here. Okay, let me mark this out. Data low. We'll put this 20. Yeah, so price should want to come and take out that data low. Once again, you could see me in the play. Here are my executions. I took 7 micros and I once again trimmed 3 off at this low right here. So boom, right there. So at this point, I took 7, I took off, I believe I took off 3, and now I'm holding the remaining 4 down to this low. Okay. So far, this has gone up like 20, 25 points, and we're holding for that. So now we go back to Discord. And, it just kind of got kind of funny here. I was just like freaking out, just being with the chat. A bunch of people took this with me. You could see my trade here, 4 micros, holding 4 for this low. It's almost 100 points. It's like 80 something. Also passed, not even the funded accounts, but I also passed some evals you could see in that trade alone. And then, if we go back to the chart, what did price do? It did exactly what we hoped for, and it went right for that low. And that is, picture perfect scenario. And I just made a shit ton of money. You could see, over 50 people took this trade with me. I made $1,000 per 50K account, and I'm trading 19 50K accounts. And I'm also trading 5 150K account. So I made a lot of money on this play. Here were my executions. So I entered at this orange arrow, trim some at this blue arrow, and trim more down here at these arrows. So yeah, absolutely picture perfect day. You can even go in the profits channel and just see how many people took it at this. Like, look at this. It's all posted at the same time too. So that's how you know we all took the same trade. Just so much green here. So, you know, that is pretty much it. Again, I was done before the market even opened, made a shit ton of money, didn't have to stress the rest of the day where the market was going to go. And that's the best feeling ever. And if you're not familiar with data plays, you need to familiarize yourself. I've been trading ICT for like 2 years now. This is by far the most consistent ICT model there is. It has a 90% win rate. That is not an exaggeration. The reason why you don't see it all the time is because it doesn't appear all the time. For this setup to happen, you need red folder news and you need a data wick to be created. That probably only happens like once or twice a week. Sometimes it happens 0. So, you know, unless you just want to have super patience and only trade once a week, that's why, you know, you can't just only trade this 90% win rate model. You have to trade the other setups on the other days. But this is an amazing setup. I encourage you to go back test this because you will be blown away. And that was how my day went. That's how I made $29,000 day trading, living in my parents' house. And we will be right back in it Monday morning to make some more bread. Peace out.